Hello, Namaste. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Shayandeep welcome you all. Today I am here to talk about a very interesting new age innovative idea compiled by Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives, that is ZIIEI. The name of this particular zero investment idea is Book Bank under the case study Moral and Human Values. This particular case study has been created by the innovative teachers of the state of Assam. Let's talk about this particular idea. Now we all know how important book is. By reading book, it not only increases the knowledge of our students, but it also makes the students smart. So keeping this thing in mind, this particular activity is implemented. When a student has his or her birthday, generally we all know that the student either gives gifts to his or her friends, or he or she receives gifts from others. This time the teacher instructs the student to donate a book, any book, maybe something which the student bought, with something that the student got from any place, and donate it in a certain box which is kept in the classroom. The name of this box is Book Bank. This particular book bank is maintained in each and every class, and on every birthday the respective students, they place a book in this particular book bank. There can be many students who, for various reasons, for example economical reasons, are unable to buy books. So what to do with these students when they have their birthdays? The students, the teacher tells the student to write a small book on their own on any given topic given to them. Now when these students write a story on their own and make a book and become the author of that book, and that person's and the student sees that that particular book written by the student is placed in the class, the students become automatically very much motivated. This book bank is kept in the class, from which whenever possible others can take out any book and can spend some time reading that book. When this activity is done, not only the reading skill of the student is enhanced, but at the same time the usefulness of donating a book is also understood by all the students. One of the students in the class is given the role to maintain this book bank and see that all the books which any student who is giving are returned to them when time comes. I hope you like this particular idea and you will surely implement it in your respective classrooms. If you want to see more of such idea videos, please subscribe to our ZIIEI YouTube channel, and if you are watching this on Facebook, please like our ZIIEI Facebook page. Thank you. Namaste.